guys, this is Mrs. Schall. I'm here today to do a numeracy lesson with you. We're going to learn how to represent numbers using a bunch of different materials. And what I have here that I went and got from around my house is I got a dice from a board game. I got some Uno cards here and I got the numbers 0 to 9. And then I went and got some pasta out of my kitchen so that we can use it to count with. So to do my lesson, the first thing I need to do is roll my dice. And I made a big paper dice here, but you could use any dice you have at your house. So I'm gonna roll my dice. What number did I get? Let's count. I got 1, 2. I got 2. Let's find the number 2 with our number cards. Do you see a 2 here anywhere? Let's see. I see a 2. Here's the number 2. So I've got 2 on my dice and I've got 2 on my number card. Now let's count 2 pieces of pasta. 1, 2. Okay, now let's show 2 on our fingers. So I'm going to count 2 on my fingers. I've got 1, 2. So I've got 2 on my dice. I've got the number 2 on a card, and I counted 1, 2 pieces of pasta, and I've got 2 on my fingers. So we just showed the number 2 in 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways. It's crazy. Let's roll our dice again and try a different number. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, I got the number 1. Let's find the number 1 with our number cards. Do you see a number 1 anywhere? I see it right here, the number 1. Let's count out 1 piece of pasta. Are you ready? 1. Now let's show the number 1 on our fingers. I've got my hand ready. Number 1. I've got 1 on my dice, 1 on my finger. I've got the number 1 and I've got 1 piece of pasta. Let's see if we get a bigger number this time when we roll our dice. I'm going to roll my dice one more time. Are you ready? I got a 1 again. We already did that. Let's roll again. I got a big number this time. There are a lot of dots on this dice. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got the number 6 on my dice. Let's find the number 6 on one of my cards. Let's see. Do you see a number 6 anywhere? These aren't 6 up here. It's not in the top row. Do you see a 6 in the bottom row anywhere? I see a 6. I've got 6 on my dice and I've got 6 on my card. Let's count 6 pieces of pasta. You could use anything you have at home like cereal or snacks, but I just use pasta. Okay, let's count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did I count? 6. Counted 6 pieces of pasta. Are you ready to show it on our hands? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had to use both hands to count 6. I counted 6 on my hand, 6 on my dice, 6 the number card, and 6 pieces of pasta. That's it for our lesson today. You guys have learned how to represent numbers using a dice, numbers, items, and your hands. You can do this with any number you have at home. So ask your family to help you. I challenge you to do it. This has been Ms. Schall with Numeracy, representing numbers. Thank you.